I'm Allan Larsen and I'm the course leader for the FuelEU seminar being run by Lloyd's Maritime Academy here in London. FuelEU became reality in 2024 and progresses into 2025 with the regulations for recording emissions from ships. In 2026, those emissions could result in penalties for shipping. The biggest challenge is not the regulation itself, but how we manoeuvre to comply with the regulation, the routes to compliance. And in this course, we'll address those challenges and bring clarity to the options for ship owners and ship managers.
Yes, it's really valuable having Allan as the speaker today. He's a leading industry expert in the field and is the right man for the job.
If you're already working in the maritime industry, you will have heard the term FuelEU. And FuelEU affects ships within the European Union, but also ships approaching the EU and entering it, and ships departing from it. So you may well need to know about FuelEU regardless of your location. To learn more, you can contact us here at LMA, learn more about the FuelEU seminar, and we'd love to see you on the next session.